This is Nicki Sun. Thank you for joining us at the post-production campus stage at the NAB Show 2018.
Post-production. Woo! Shout out to you, keeping it real, educating and inspiring everybody around here. How about 5+ years of experience? Yeah? And how many of you are, this is the first year you're at NAB for the first time, you're so excited? Woo! There we go! Perfect. Please reach out to these people because these are the future. So just want to let you know a little bit about myself since I've been emceeing this entire week and I realize I haven't introduced myself at all. So hi. My name is Nicki Sun, and I host and I create my own show. I work both in front and from behind the camera. I do a lot of interviews with a lot of upcoming and inspirational people who I feel deserve need shine. I got into media because I didn't see a lot of people like me on TV, and I felt like after college, nobody was going to hire a punk kid right out of college, so I started my own channel. So that's a little bit about me. That was just a little brief thing. So I hope that you reach out to the neighbor right next to you and figure out in a 60-second elevator pitch who you are, what are you looking for, and maybe how you might be able to collaborate with one another. By a raise of hand, how many of you met someone new today?
I did.
That should be everybody in this room, right? Okay, cool, awesome. All right, and last call too, we are about to do raffle prizes. We're picking out 17 prizes, just want to know that. So if you haven't given me your business card or your driver's license, it's true, I have 3 driver's licenses in here, because they're about the same size. Go ahead and give it to me right now, because we're about to do our drawing for the raffle.
I did it too.
That's what it takes, right? Just don't forget to get it back from me, otherwise you're getting a no club tonight in Vegas. And remember, the purpose, I hope you all got business cards as well from each other, because the purpose is to continue networking after NAB, because NAB is only a short week, but friendships last forever.
I do not.
The value is $899. It is 1 copy of Magic Bullet Suite, so the entire suite by Red Giant. And we get 4 winners, okay? Alright, here we go. I have Brett Everett. Where's Brett Everett? Oh, he's here! You do have to be present to win. I have a credit card. Peter Yen. You're here, and oh, this is yours now. So I really have to give it back. All right, thank you so much to Michael Leva. Now the great thing is, because the last thing we have on this stage right now is a mixer on UAV, so it's perfect. So Michael's been so kind to stick around. So if you have any more questions in terms of any augmented reality and drones, he's the perfect person to ask.
It's been a blast. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, Nicki Sun, at the post-production campus stage. As you can see, my last mixer is nothing but drones and the future of augmented technology and the future of drone piloting. So see you next time, NAB.